Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Mohammad Hamza Zafar and my group members are Fawad Haider, Muhammad Asad and Muhammad Abu Bakr Suhail. Our project title is 4DOF shape recognition using Minion control and our supervisor is Engineer Moiz Sarwarawan and our industrial supervisor is Dr. Farshid Husnain. We all are students of Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering at Dr. A.Q. Home Institute of Computer Science and Information Technology, subcampus of IST Institute of Space Technology. Project idea. As we can see from the figure that our project was a robotic arm that consists of 5 servo motors and operate in a 4 degree of freedom manner with a gripper at the end. The gripper is used to pick and place the object. The robotic arm is basically an open kinematic chain that consists of links and joints. The links are basically the fixed part of the robotic arm and joints are the movable part of the robotic arm. The detection of detection we have used to various real-time object detection algorithms. In the first step, we have implemented shape detection algorithm. The shape detection algorithm. After the shape detection algorithm, we have implemented the color detection algorithm. And our main goal was to implement the YOLO artificial, which is basically an artificial intelligence algorithm for real-time object detection. YOLO stands for you only look once. Our implementation of YOLO was consisting in 3 phases. In the first phase, we have implemented YOLO v3 on CPU using the pre-trained model. In the next phase, we have implemented YOLO v3 on GPU. And in the final phase, we have implemented YOLO v4 and v4 Tiny on our GPU. Our main aim was to pick and place the object in real time, and we have successfully implemented that. Motivation. The motivation behind selecting this project was to provide ease to the workers working in factory just doing pick and place work. The main aim was to automate our industries to develop a prototype for pick and place work. And the other main objective was to carry radioactive materials where human arm is risky to use. And as we all know, during the current pandemic situation, there are various contactless applications of the robotic arms. Problem statement. To make a precise pick and place robot to reduce errors and human effort using robotics and computer vision. Project output. In this slide, we have shown all of the working and demonstration of our project. In the system diagram, we have shown the hardware demonstration. The webcam is giving the input to the GPU. GPU after processing gives the input to the Arduino, and Arduino then controls the robotic arm. The controls the servo motors. The servo motors are basically the robotic arm. The AI model diagram, the input is the camera gave the input to the CPU. The CPU then implemented color detection algorithm. From them, in the initial position of our robotic arm we got the initial position of the robotic arm. And the next step, the AI algorithm detect the objects and the coordinates are sent to Arduino, and then Arduino control the robotic arm movement. The color detection flowchart consists of the various steps. In the first step, we have converted the RGB to HSV, and then the HSV ranges were set for the RGB color, red, green, and blue, the basic colors. Then the threshold for HSV ranges has been applied, and after that, the images are binarized and contours are drawn across the final image. The project status. In the project status slide, we have shown the Gantt chart of a project in which the literature review, the planning phase, the hardware coding, testing, and implementation, completion, and documentation is being shown. Our project is successfully completed and implemented and completed and is working successfully, alhamdulillah. In the working video, as we can see that the robotic arm is successfully identifying or recognizing the object. As we can see from the laptop screen that it is recognizing the object, picking the object successfully on one place and dropping the object at the other place. Thank you.